as less as possible in the bottom. Since the beaters are hot, so I'm gonna move them. So we'll home the machine again. Hold it.
You want one of those microfiber towels?
Should be fine. So I've seen that even on the, see, only this part is worn.
Yep.
The zipper area, not in the bottom. This off.
And the tooling for all these little bars, they're all the same, right?
Yeah. So considering, so this will go up, this will go down.
Okay. Hold one side.
Now the direction should be like this. Okay, sorry. This is thicker, this is thicker. Yeah, direction should be like this.
Okay.
Like this.
Got it?
So
Yeah, because that's what's
yeah.
going on the other side
Correct.
against the film.
Yes.
I understand.
I'm gonna hold the bottom one. So do it here. Push it. Push this one in, this one in. This, even if it loses down, it's fine. Later you can tighten it off
Yeah.
since it's already taped. This side first, and then this side. Now we'll tie the top.
So you want the
More on
larger
top,
amount
yeah,
on the top.
on the top. So because the wear is on top, so you can pull from the top and you can move the wear down, down,
Oh
down,
yeah,
down,
down below, right? As
And
long
then-
as it's not ripped.
Yeah.
Torn.
And then later, I think it's number 7, so you can just
Tighten it.
tighten it. Yeah. So this, suppose the screw is tight.
I can do